I have not drank water since I left the car. I don't like to drink water when I hike, only if I really, really need it. Some weird rock and gravel in this area. Look at this. Here's a big stone with a rock implanted right in the center. They could have been possibly mining something up here. I don't know what. For those of you just tuning in, we're in the mountains of Simi Valley, California. Ventura County or Los Angeles County? I want to say Ventura County. There's some cable down there. Oh yeah, getting up to something. Take a look at this. Man, look at the spring right here. And look at these rollers. It says 61B right here. God. What do you guys think? Our destination is still up higher, but like I said, we've been hiking. It's coming upon an hour and a half. It's 2:47. For those who remember what time we started, I told myself to stop at 3 and see what I think, but I don't know. This is so cool. In about 12 minutes, we're gonna have 2 hours of daylight. In about 12 minutes, we're gonna have 2 hours of daylight. So cool. Let's take a couple pictures with the camera and then we'll keep on for about 12 minutes and see where it ends up at. And then this might have to be a part 2, guys, where we come back another day. Stay with me.